Hello students, this is Mr. Sims, and we've got an additional video with just some more practice on temperature and elevation change problems and the use of a number line. So I got 3 examples here where I'm going to utilize a number line to help me determine what I'm really doing with the numbers. And a number line can really help you figure out, because we're either going to be adding or subtracting, and it's just figuring that out is key. So we're going to start off with, what is the change in temperature? So immediately I'm thinking to myself, did the temperature go down or did it go up? If it went down, we say it's negative. If it went up, it's positive. Tom woke up one morning and the temperature was negative 12 degrees. Don't forget there's a negative there. At noon, the temperature had risen to 10 degrees. What is the change in temperature? Well, immediately I know that the temperature went up, which means that I'm going to have a positive number, positive answer. Okay. So now it's determining how much did it go up. So here's what a number line would look like. So vertical number line. So here's 0. All right, so in the morning, it was negative 12 degrees. It had risen to 10 degrees, which means that it is now 10 degrees above 0. So what is that change in temperature? Overall change. Well, I can break this into 2 pieces. I know that it has to go up 12 degrees just to get back to 0. And then it goes up an additional 10 degrees. Which means that I would really be adding these 2 numbers together, so the total change was 22 degrees. And you can take 10 plus 12 and use a calculator if you need to. All right? So that's example number 1. And example number 2. What was the temperature at 11 p.m.? So this one's asking what was the temperature, not what the change was. And notice how I'm reading for the gist. And I know I talk about that word a little bit, but the gist is always the last sentence. One day in January, temperature at 1 p.m. was 36 degrees. By 11 p.m., it had dropped 42 degrees. Excuse me. So I'll draw a vertical number line of this, 0. So at 1 p.m. it was 36 degrees. So 36 degrees above 0. Okay. It had dropped 42, which means it went down 42 degrees. And if it drops 42 degrees, then it's going to end up putting me below 0. All right, so it's going to drop 36 degrees just to get to 0, and then that difference there. All right, so now what has to happen is you would put 36 together with negative 42, which would put us at negative 6 degrees. Number 3, I'm going to have you try on your own. So we'll stop the video here.